All right, we've had this polymer clay set for a while, so I'm sure we're missing a few pieces. I am not a great artist, but my daughter is, and she's had a lot of fun playing with this stuff. It has a lot of clay in it, and they're packaged well in plastic, so they're not going to be dried out when you get it. Lots of colors. Like I said, we've already used some of them, so I don't have a full set here. In fact, there's 2 layers of colors. So you have plenty of clay for a long time. It also comes with various tools that you can use to sculpt the clay, things to poke it with, things to cut it or mold it with, and even things to rake it with. They're all made of plastic. They're not sharp at all, but they will do the job. And you can use them to make some interesting patterns as well. Comes with this little silicone mold as well, so you can stuff some clay in there and make some predetermined shapes. That's kind of fun. Also comes with a manual that'll give you some ideas, show you how to do a couple things, and just generally get you started and artistic. So, like I said, I am not artistic at all, but I will try to follow one of these tutorials and see if I can do it. All right, guys, tell me how I did. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But like I said, I am not an artist, and I don't think I did too bad. I think the hardest part for me was using the tool at the bottom there on the teeth. Did not do that perfectly. But even still, for me, not being an artist, to do something this good, I think it's a pretty easy to follow tutorial. The clay is easy to mold. You have a few options for making it permanent, whether in the oven or even using a hairdryer. So yeah, if you're artistic or just want to have a good time, this seems like good clay. We like it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.